Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on community post notification on BeReal application. So how to turn on community post notification on BeReal application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the BeReal app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the BeReal app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Notification menu. And tap Official Community Post. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on community post notification on BeReal app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.